Alrighty, hello everybody, it's Crouching Python here with a little tutorial on how to use NPCs in your game with Minecraft Education Edition. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back into our game. Just got a flat world here, and first thing we need to do is we need to get an NPC. Easiest thing, I think, is just go up here, NP, just like it says, NPC, and you get an NPC spawn egg, which you're going to throw right there. Okay, now I'm in creative mode, which is fine for what we're doing, and I should be able to just drop it right there. Okay, instantly NPC. Now his name is NPC, which is, I don't know, let's see. So now here's the deal. This thing you have to remember when you're making one of these things, there's two modes. One where you build the NPC and one where you test the NPC. So when you go in, you're in the right mode for building it, which is called World Builder mode. So when I right click on it, it'll open this up. Okay? So here's my NPC, my non-player character, and I can rename it. So I'm going to name him Mr. Mysterioso. I don't know why. Okay, now I can also give him dialogue. And he can say something to your player. So you just type it in here and you can say, "Welcome to my amazing adventure. Push the button for a diamond sword." Okay, and start. All right, pretty cool. So that's what it's going to say if the player right clicks on it. Okay, so that is the dialogue. You can also change what it looks like here. So we've got, you know, a few, whatever, I don't know. Let's try this dude right there. Okay, so I've changed it. Now, if I can actually bake commands into the NPC. So you can not only give it dialogue to tell your player, but you can have it actually do things, which is really cool. And you can do it either automatically or when it presses a button. So as you can see, when I said this, push the button for a diamond sword and start, any of the commands that you can run in a command block or in the chat, you can run in your NPC, which is pretty cool. All right, so to do that, you got to go to Advanced Settings like this, and we're going to add a command, just like this says here. And here's our little command blocks, all right? So what we said was push this button to get a diamond sword. So we're going to write the command for giving a diamond sword. Give at P, which is the player, the closest player, which is the one who's standing there, you know, pressing the button, a diamond sword. Now, if I do this, see, button mode is off because it's to the left. I'm going to turn it on, and down in here, you can put what you want on the button. Give me a sword. Okay? So that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, if I click Add Command, I can add another command, but it's not going to add this command. All right. So if I just get out of here, okay, and X out of here. Now, look, see, it says right up there, Mr. Mysterioso. Now, if I right-click on him, nothing is going to happen because I'm in World Builder mode. Well, something will happen. It'll open up, and I can continue creating and making my NPC do stuff. But I want to do it like I'm a player. So to do that, I have to get out of World Builder mode. You do that by going into the chat and typing /WB. That's it. And you'll see here it says it toggles World Builder status. So I'm going to just say, and a toggle means it turns it on or off. Same command. It's like a light switch. Okay? And World Builder status updated to false. Now I'm just a player as far as interacting with this. So I'm still seeing Mr. Mysterioso. I go up to Mr. Mysterioso, right click. Oh, welcome to my amazing adventure. Push the button for a diamond sword and start. So there's the button. We said, give me a sword. Oh, look, right there in my hotbar. There's the sword. How amazing is that? Now, if I wanted to edit that and say, okay, I want to do something else, Then I got to go back into here, change that to World Builder, and then when I right-click on Mr. Mysterioso, I get all this again. But that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. But just think of all the cool things you can do. You can summon, you can give, you can fill, you can teleport the player somewhere, all kinds of cool stuff. Or you can just give them information. It's better than a sign, I think, because you're talking to a real live, well, not live, but real NPC, non-player character. And that, is it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.